lecture on random access file when it comes in P3. So it's a very important topic in a P3 because almost in every other paper there is one kind of a question regarding random access file, if not serial file. So do remember that the coding that you guys have done, a pseudocode of serial file in P2, that is still included. It's still included in your P3. ठीक है, तो हम लोग थोड़ा सा पहले से दोनों को एनालाइज कर लेते हैं साइड बाय साइड. सो these are not the theory answers of serial file and random access file. These are concept answers when you are trying to code them. ठीक है, so serial file, we have seen it in P2. It's a .txt file. Whenever it is a .txt file, you will see in the paper. So this means that they are talking about a serial file. So we know the properties of a serial file, that the data is read line by line. It starts reading the file or searching a file from top of file till end of file. And the most important thing is that the serial file contains data in the form of string. So whenever you are reading a file from whenever you are reading a data from a serial file, so that data needs to be stored in a string variable. Is everyone clear about that? ठीक है, so we know how to write in a file. Whenever we write in a file, it is always written to the last line after a last line. So that's the property of a serial file. Now when it comes to a random access file, the concept goes like this: the data can be written or read from randomly any memory location. ठीक है, it's the same way that the arrays behave. So now the only key point over here is over here the memory location is called hash key. Daniel, what is it called in arrays? The memory locations को हम array में क्या कहते हैं?
Index.
Yes. So in array we call those memory location index or subscript, but in random access file we call those memory location hash key. So is that concept clear about hash key? What is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now the most important thing about random access file, especially when it comes to your syllabus content, is that it contains data in the form of records or a structure. Remember the composite data type that we have studies of record or a structure? So the random access file, any memory location will contain the data in the form of records or structure. So if we have to write a data in a random access file or read a data, तो हमारा वेरिएबल किस टाइप का होना चाहिए? ऑफ अ स्ट्रक्चर टाइप होना चाहिए. ये बात क्लियर हो गई है?
जी मैम.
Okay, so these are the two key points that you need to remember. Now coming about how do we get a hash key? ठीक है, so always remember that the hash key needs to be generated using a hashing algorithm. ठीक है, you guys might have seen in a lot of paper there are very simple mathematical hash algorithms that they ask you to write. I think I even asked in the mock, right? एक छोटी सी मैथमेटिकल कमांड्स होती हैं जिसकी बेसिस के ऊपर यू कैन जनरेट अ हैश की. सो एनी क्वेश्चन सो फार? एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर? वाई वाओ, आई हैव सम क्वाइट ऑडियंस यार, बोलते ही नहीं हो.
मैं समझ आ गई है.
ओके चलो, थैंक यू जमीना. ओके, सो नाउ regarding random access file की few codes की commands that you need to understand. ठीक है, so whenever a code needs to connect to a file, it needs to build a connection to that particular file. ठीक है, so in random access file, how do you build a connection? is very simple. Okay, you open file and write the file name. Do remember the file name will end with .dat, data file. So instead of .txt. And then in the same way as you used to do in P2, the only difference that comes here is you will always open it in a mode called random. So in serial file there are 3 modes, but in random access file there is only a single mode called random. Okay? And we know that whenever there is a open file, so there should be a close file. Again, the name of a file that you are trying to close. So is this part clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now going a bit further, okay, how can you go to a particular memory address? How can you make your code land on a specific memory address? So, Daniel, what was the memory address called here?
The hash key.
Yeah. So, the hash key. Okay. So, the command for this one is the most important. Okay. This command basically talks about, okay, how do you make a certain cursor land on that particular memory address. So it's called seek. Okay. Then again, the name of the file, in which file you are seeking for that particular memory address, and then after it you will write the variable that holds the hash key value. So this has to be the variable that holds the hash key value. ये clear हो गया? So I'm calling this variable as a hash key. In your exam, they can call it anything, right? They can call it location, count, or anything that they want to call it, or a position. Is this understood? But the seek should contain के where it should land. ठीक है? ये बात clear हो गई?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will it do? So for example, if I give you an example of a seek operation, so something like this. ठीक है? And I have a random access file. By the way, for your understanding, the random access file will look like something like an array. ठीक है? So what will happen? Where will it land? On which memory location it will take you to?
Third.
So just because this is a value 3, it will go and start pointing to this particular memory location, which is 3. Okay? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very simple operation of a seek command. Now after this, it's basically the requirement of the code. Do you want to read from this memory location, or you want to write on this memory location? So after seek, when you have landed on this memory location, you have 2 options. What are those options? Either you want to read from this memory location, or you want to write on this memory location. ये बात clear हो गई है? So the command that is followed for the read operation is called get record. ठीक है? And then the command that is followed for the write operation is called put record. Can somebody tell me what's the command for reading from a serial file?
Read file,
And for writing in a file?
write file.
Yeah, so basically the similarities between that command is this K. Just because it is getting a record key data type, so it will be get record or put record. So these are the two commands given by your CIE that you need to remember as per the pseudocode requirement. Is this clear? So now let's see how can we write the command for read operation. ठीक है? So this is how the command looks like. It says get record, and again the name of the file that you want the get record from, and then what you need to know is here you need to have a identifier of record type. So this area you need to change with a variable that is of type record. So your whole record will come and will be saved here. You do not need to put individual properties of that record over here. You just need to copy paste this whole memory location into a record type memory location. So this is the area where students often make a mistake. So this whole memory location will go and be saved in this variable. So individual level पे properties को नहीं आपने उठाना, पूरे के पूरे record को उठाना है. अभी I will do an example. So we are just doing a simple exercise right now. ठीक है? Of pseudocodes की syntax की. ये clear हो गया? So any idea what will be the command for write operation? मुबी guess कर सकते हो बेटा?
Put record.
So after this again the same concept follows. Name of the file, then the identifier that is holding the record data type, उसका बस नाम. So these are the only commands that are related to a random access file. So do remember, before get record or put record, you need to run the command of seek. So seek is very important before read or write operation. So any questions still here? None? Okay, as I said, you guys are one silent audience. So, चलो अब हम लोग एक एग्जाम्पल करते हैं. ठीक है? So let's say कि we have a type customer. ठीक है? उसके अंदर I will just declare two variables for ease right now. Customer ID of type integer, customer name of type string. ठीक है, and I have declared one customer my customer, या simply new customer कर देते हैं. of type किसका declare किया है मैंने? of type customer. ठीक है, and let's say कि I need to put his record, I need to place this record on a memory location 3. ठीक है, so I have made the new customer dot id as 735, and I have made new customer dot cname as let's say Umar. ठीक है, so I have placed the data in the properties, but I need to save it in on a location number 3 in random access file. So can you guide me, how can I start my code? What's the first line I should write?
Open file.
Open file.
Yeah, so open file. ठीक है, and let's say the name of this file is customer data. So .dat file, and what am I going to open it for? For random. So often in the case of random files, people forget कि the mode is of type random. ठीक है, now what should be my next command? I need to go on the memory location 3, so my next command should be
Ma'am,
जी बेटा.
Adil disconnected from the meeting. Could you add him in again? He's asking to be added.
Who?
Adil.
Adil got disconnected. Okay. Adil, you're back? So, can you tell me कि what should be the memory location over here? What should be the hash key value over here? Who will tell me what should be the hash key value here? Where do I want to save it, on which memory location?
3.
3. So the value over here will be 3. I am just currently using some constant value to place it over here without even saving it in a variable. Okay, ये clear हो गया? Now just because I need to put the record, so what will I say? Customer data. And now tell me, what should I write in this area? Should I write individual properties, or should I use the single identifier of that memory location?
Ma'am, you could use new customer.
Sorry, I can't hear you, beta.
Would you put new customer?
Yes, I should not be doing individual property. I should be doing the identifier of that memory location. ठीक है? So now if I have opened the file, I will have to close file as well. So any questions so far?
Now could you explain the text again?
Any queries, Adil? Beta, I don't know when you got disconnected, like, and this is the code that we have done. So any queries so far? ये तो बड़ी ज्यादती है बेटा, आपका माइक नहीं चल रहा जिस क्लास को आप अटेंड करने के लिए आए हो है. So no queries?
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Chalo, अब now a bit of twist that they put here is the fact that they will ask you to generate a hash key using a hash algorithm. So let's assume that we have a function called hash. ठीक है? There is a predefined function called hash. What does it require? It requires some kind of a integer parameter to generate a hash key. So what will you do? You will first generate the hash key now. So you can write a code like this, कि hash key is equal to using the function called hash, and now they will say that this n is the customer ID on which the hash key can be generated. So can you tell me what should I pass in the parameters as an argument? So if this n is the customer ID on which the hash key can be generated, so what should I do now?
So won't be 735.
Yeah, but where is the 735 saved in?
New customer dot ID.
It's saved in the new customer. So you will say new customer dot ID. That's it. Okay? And over here, instead of a static value, you will write the variable that contains the hash key. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Will the hash subroutine always be predefined, or should we make that?
No, either they will say that it pre-exists, or they will ask you in another part of this question to make a hash function.
Okay.
Okay? When you will do past paper, so there are many variations of it. But is this clear? That how do you navigate through the code and how do you get certain values?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Up now, sometimes what they do is that this hash key is sometimes generated with a for loop. If they are placing many records from an array of records to a file. So ये भी एक उनकी वेरिएशन आती है, and you will find it in a recent past paper. So अब मुझे बताओ कि past paper comfortably कर लोगे? No matter what kind of a variation they throw at you. So
Inshallah, ma'am.
So what are the key points? The key points is that the hash key, this is the only tricky part that the students find. That hash key needs to be a memory location value.
Yeah.
If they are making you go about with the concept that this memory location is actually the array indexes of the array, so let it be. Like let it be a for loop ka index generation. ठीक है? So all good?
Hello. Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam.
Ma'am, can you explain this again, please?
Which thing?
वो
again?
टाइप कस्टमर से
Sorry?
ऊपर से नीचे तक, मतलब फ्रॉम द टाइप कस्टमर जब डिक्लेयर करती हैं अपना, और फिर नीचे द ओपन फाइल वगैरह सब कुछ.
Okay, so were you here जब हम लोगों ने ये वाला किया था, the each and every concept over here?
जी मैम.
Okay, so do you understand the individual level key commands? Okay, how they are written in pseudocode?
यस मैम.
इसमें तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आया ना?
इसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं है,
Okay.
ये समझ आ गई।
Okay. So just because तो हम लोगों को यहाँ तक ग्रीन मार्कर्स तक समझ आ गया कि न्यू कस्टमर जब बना रहे हैं.
जी मैम, ये भी समझ आ गई है न्यू कस्टमर वाला।
Okay. So the only concept that you are lacking is that when we are making a new customer, we need to permanently save it in a random access file, right?
यस मैम।
Okay. So if I simply, so just because I am saving it in a file, so what do I need to do? I need to make a connection to that particular file. ठीक है? So the name of the file is called customerdata.dat. They will give you like they used to give you in P2. Okay? And
Okay.
just because we are saving it in a random file, so it has to be in the mode called random. ये clear हो गया?
ठीक है।
Okay. Now I will take you a step back from the hash key and let's say that we want to save it on a memory location 3. ठीक है? So this means that we need to land on that particular memory location. So which command makes you land on that memory location? Seek command. So again,
Okay.
the seek syntax goes can mention the name of the file in which you are seeking the memory location. And just because I want to save this on a memory location 3, so what will I write it here? The address of the memory location, which is an integer value right now. ये clear हो गया बेटा?
यस मैम।
Okay. And just because I am saving the record in the file, so the command that will be used is put record. ठीक है? I'm writing in the file, so the command used is put record. Up now, Adil, mostly the students get wrong in this area. Okay, what should we put? Should we put individual properties or should we put the identifier that contains those properties? So always remember, you will put the identifier that contains all those properties. ठीक है?
ठीक है।
तो never say कि new customer dot id और फिर एक और put record की command लिखो और कहो कि new customer dot data. That's not
So
how
I
the
just put
command
the
goes.
whole new customer वाली चीज।
Yes, because this identifier basically contains all these properties. ये clear हो गया?
यस मैम।
Okay, then you just close the file as you used to do for the serial file. Because if you open the connection, you need to close the connection as well.
ठीक है।
ठीक है? So is this clear? So just imagine कि अगर मुझे ये put record की जगह read करना होता तो seek के बाद I would have used get record. Okay?
ओके।
Okay, Zoom ने मुझे वो notification भी दे दिया है तो I will just quickly wrap it up. Okay, now let's introduce another thing. कि we don't know where the memory location is for this record. So this means the examiner has given you a hash function that will take an integer parameter and will generate a hash key against that integer parameter. And they will say that this integer parameter is basically customer ID. So this means that before seek, I need to somewhere get the hash key value. And the function that is going to give me that hash key value is called hash algorithm. Okay? And just because it is generating a hash key based on a customer ID, so I will send it the customer ID. So new customer dot customer ID. So because the customer ID is inside a memory location of a new customer, so that's why I have to place the dot over there. ये बात clear हो गई है?
यस मैम।
So
Yes,
any
ma'am.
other queries so far? So over here instead of 3, what will I write? I will write hash key. So from a very constant value of 3, I have changed it to a variable, a value that gets its own value from a hash algorithm. So is this clear now?
यस मैम।
ओके, चलो अब हम लोग एक काम करते हैं. We will do the collision concept in the next video, or because that's very important when it comes to a random access file may there is always a possibility of a collision. So I will stop this recording, okay, and I will make a new link and then you guys join that link, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, chalo, take care. See you in a while.